Hey everyone, have you ever gotten a YouTube warning or a strike that you just couldn't seem to get rid of? Well, now there is a good news. YouTube has announced that it will be allowing YouTubers to remove permanent warnings and strikes. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of passing the YouTube training school and getting your warnings and strike removed. If you're ready to get your channel back on track, be sure to watch this video until the end. I'll give you all the tips and tricks you need to know to pass the training school and get your channel back in the good standing.
Easy!
Right, click on warning and now take an action and go to read the community guidelines. Here are the guidelines. You have to follow these guidelines and policies. Then come back and click on next and go to take training. Now click on next. Here I got 7 questions and it depends what kind of policies you violated. Your questions might be different. I'm using these 2 tools to answer these questions, and you can also use these tools, but remember, you must be well aware of the policy and the guidelines provided by YouTube. Answer all of these questions accordingly and then come back and you will pass the training school.
Hey,
once again,
that's pretty good.
if you violated any particular policy, then these questions will be according to that policy. I'm not saying that okay, these are the questions
Hello there.
and you have to follow only these questions, because I violated something different, your violation might be something different. So obey the policy rules and regulations, then answer them accordingly. So this is just an example where you can copy the question, understand, and then answer accordingly. So don't be wrong answering these questions. Once you answer all of those questions, then you will be prompted to another new tab, and in 90 days your YouTube strike will be removed. And here are some of the multiple choice questions, so be careful while answering these questions. Once you answer all of these questions, then you will see this screen, and nice work, you have answered all the questions. Now you can close this training here. This is the new window, open there. Now close this window, go to warning again, and here we go. It says that training has been completed and in 90 days your warning will be removed. But if you do another violation during these 90 days, then there is no guarantee you will get the new one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.